Wait a minute. Stay right there. Don't get too close. Stay right there.
See it?
Wait a minute. You're going to tell me in a second. Where's the red button? Okay. What'd you catch?
A butterfly.
Let me see.
He's flying around.
Show me.
I caught him, Emma found him.
Wow.
I found him, and I went and tried to get him, and he flipped out. And then I caught him. Yeah, and
Does he have a name?
not yet. His name can be Beauty.
Beauty. Okay, what else you got?
Nothing yet. We almost had a white one, but then before Emma could close the cage thingy, he got out. So he was in here, and he was a little baby. He was like tiny, like that big. He was that big.
Let's go looking. Come on.
I'm gonna go down there. The protected temple, the Yarmouth Fort, there. Fort, there. That's fort. You know what we need to do? We need to get pine cones and put some, honey on them.
Why are we going to do that?
Check. Oh, you know what they really like?
Huh.
Sugar water.
You can do that.
Do you think we could put a penny out, or no? Because they won't.